know why I'm here. You've already watched the product and I'm here to review San Botanica Vitamin C Gentle Foaming Face Wash. It's with the inbuilt brush, you can see that. और जो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट है वो है विटामिन सी 20% E and hyaluronic acid. And if you guys want to use my discount code, please do save some money. You also get it on Amazon. So first is this vitamin C foaming, gentle foaming face wash. It's with the inbuilt brush, you can see that. And this is pretty soft, guys. Once I used it, it was the apt firm on the skin. Like, you understand, like it's not super soft that it doesn't clean the skin, और ये इतना भी hard नहीं है that it hurts the skin. So it is just amazing, and I just felt, and I felt like once you cleanse the skin, obviously because of the ingredients and vitamin C. First of all, do you guys know what vitamin C does to your skin? It's just amazing. So vitamin C promotes collagen production, which actually diminishes the fine lines and gives you youthful skin. And vitamin C is an antioxidant, meaning it protects the skin cells from damaging free radicals caused by UV exposure. So it gently removes the dirt, oil and impurities, promotes a clearer, brighter complexion, maintains skin's moisture and protects, softens and smooths the skin. And this is for all skin type. So you have already seen how I've used it. You just have to little bit damp your face or just spray little water and then just press this. Like, I can do that for you again. So you just press this and you get the foam. So, and you just directly use it. So let's talk about packaging. It comes in this kind of hard box packaging, and this shows up here when it is kept. It shows up, okay, when it is kept, it shows up here about the brush, and on the packaging it says it has no sulfates, safe to use ingredients, bioactive, no mineral oils, no parabens and pure oil. Now this has an expiry date of 2 years and it costs $4.99, but if you use this discount code you will get discount and you can save some money. It's cruelty free and vegan, and it comes in the size of 120 ml. And one more good thing about this is it comes with this cover. So even if it's kept in your bathroom or anywhere where you just wash your face, you can just cover it up and it doesn't get contaminated. And I'm like very particular about this, that it should be clean, it should be hygienic. Using it daily really gets you to a beautiful, youthful and soft skin. Next product we are talking about is San Botanica's vitamin C 20%, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. And it also inhibits the melanin production in the skin, which helps you to lighten up like the hyperpigmentation, the dark spots, any brown spots you have, or you have uneven skin tone, and it enhances the skin radiance. So it actually repairs the damage from sun exposure and collagen loss by encouraging hair cells and turnover and regenerate. Once you start using vitamin C serum, it actually does not work immediately, any vitamin C serum. So you need to give it at least more than 8 months or 10 months and use it even if you use it daily, because vitamin C actually takes time to give you that effect. But if you use it on daily basis, I have been using, like, I don't know for how long, it's been so long, and that is why. And when I was like, when it has hyaluronic acid, of course it gives you like anti-aging properties, and obviously it radiates your skin. So this combination of vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid is amazing because it actually together works very well for optimal absorption benefits when it comes to anti-aging and skin brightening and protecting the skin from UV radicals and the damage, and it actually works amazing if it's together. So when I saw it, I was like, really? This is the box it comes in, and again it is cruelty free and vegan, no parabens, no mineral oils, no silicone, And okay, it also has the expiry date of 2 years, and it costs for $9.99 for 20 ml. So once you use this face wash, and after that once you use this vitamin C serum, next step is your moisturizer and sunscreen. So go ahead and do it. And guys, I love this. I love these both, and I really recommend you to use this on regular basis and just try. It's really good. So guys, I hope you like this review about San Botanica, and let me know what you want to see next. And I love you, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and I love you all. Of course, hit the bell button.